back when we were only 9 or 10, running through the fields, just kids back then. You would smile and my whole world would glow, but we were too young for love to show. Your mama said no, don't be too close, so I stayed quiet, hiding feelings the most. Just little hearts with a secret flame, too shy to even say each other's name. Time kept moving, seasons changed. 15 years, nothing stayed the same, but somehow deep inside my soul, I never really let you go. Now we meet again after all this time, standing face to face, but no, it's come to mind. My heart still remembers the way you smile, like we're still those two little kids running wild. I wanted to say I never moved on, but silence held me and the moment was gone. After 15 years, here we are once more, looking at each other like before. You look different, but your eyes were the same. One small glance and I remembered your name. The little girl who made my young heart race still lives somewhere inside that face. Maybe life took us separate ways, different roads, different nights and days, but fate is funny, it brings us near when love stays quiet for all those years. Time kept moving, seasons changed. 15 years, nothing stayed the same, but somehow deep inside my soul, I never really let you go. Now we meet again after all this time, standing face to face, but no words come to mind. My heart still remembers the way you smile, like we're still those two little kids running wild. I wanted to say I never moved on, but silence held me and the moment was gone. After 15 years, here we are once more, looking at each other like before. Maybe someday we'll say the words we hide. Maybe someday love won't have to hide. But tonight I'll just hold this view. The kid in still remembers you.